Find domain of the function. Here we have function x plus 3 divided by x square plus 5x minus 14. For the domain of the function, we need to know the function should not be undefined, and one thing more, function should not be equal to, should not be give the iota value. Iota value happens just when the square root is included in the given function. Here in this function there is no square root involved, so this function could not be go into the iota form. So now here we will just discuss and where the function will be undefined, infinity, go to infinity. So this function will go be infinity only when the denominator of this function equal to 0. So now find the value, on what value the denominator will be equal to 0. Let's find. Here is the denominator, x square plus 5x minus 14 should not be equal to 0. Here you can see. So now we find the value, on what value of the denominator is equal to 0. We solve by the factorization. Here the denominator by factorization, in the previous video I have explained you how to do factorization. You can watch my previous video. Previous video is given in the I button on the right upper. Break the middle term, and the product of the middle term will be equal to the product of the first and last term. Here you can see, if I do multiply first and last term, 14 multiplied by x square, so it will be equal to 14x square. And if do I multiply, here also minus sign 2, and if I multiply 7x multiply by minus 2x, so the what will be the answer will be minus 2 times 7 is 14 minus 14, and x multiplied by x is equal to. Now we take common in first two term and last two term. In the first two term we can see just x common, and the last two term we can see minus 2 common. So here we have just remaining x plus 7, and here remaining x plus 7. Now here you can see x plus 7 is again common. Now we take x plus 7 again common. The product of two values is equal to 0. It just happen when either its value will be 0 or this value will be 0, or either both value equal to 0. All right. So by simplifying, here we find the value of x. So on this value, the x is equal to minus 7 and x equal to 2 is the denominator will equal to 0. So this value is not included in the domain. Now we write the domain in the interval notation. The domain is all values except these two values, all real values except these two values, because on these values minus 7 and 2 the function will go undefined. So minus infinity to minus 7 union minus 7 to 2 union 2 infinity 0. Here I just explain you like this. This is the number line, a real line. This is minus 7 and this is 2. The all values is included in the domain except minus 7, and these values minus 7 to 2 is all values, and 2 to infinity all values except minus 7 and 2. So this is our final answer. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends.